Welcome back to the channel. Girls do this when they want you to approach. Most guys miss it. There's this moment, subtle, almost invisible, when a girl wants you to come over. Not scream it from the rooftop obvious, but quiet, intentional. Miss it, and you'll walk away thinking she wasn't interested. Catch it, and the entire game changes. Let's unpack what most guys completely overlook, the 7 sneaky signals girls give when they want to be approached. 1. She pretends to be deeply fascinated by something boring. There's nothing quite like watching someone examine a wall of or a drinks menu like they're reading ancient scripture. When a girl is scanning the back of a napkin or staring at the ceiling tiles like they're painted by Michelangelo, she's not studying. She's signaling. Why? Because disinterest in her surroundings can act like bait. She's trying to create space, an opening, a vacuum in attention that you, the observant guy, can walk into. It's the human version of, "I'm alone over here. Come give me something better to think about." But most guys assume she's preoccupied and leave her alone. Don't. That false absorption is the invitation. 2. She resets her posture around you, but only after you've looked away. You glance at her, she doesn't move. You look away. Now she adjusts, shifts her stance, brushes her hair back, changes how she's sitting. Why? Because she's recalibrating how you see her, but she wants it to seem unintentional. This is an evolutionary whisper, not a shout. It's grooming, but covered, a nonverbal signal meant to catch your peripheral, not your focus. If you're only looking for smiles or waves, you'll miss it. But if you notice how she seems to become more composed every time you're not looking, it's probably not for her own comfort. It's for yours. 3. She makes a show of laughing, not at anyone's joke, but at the idea of being seen laughing. Here's the trick. She's not laughing at something funny. She's laughing because laughter makes her seem approachable. It's warm, disarming. She's not trying to be part of a comedy show. She's trying to signal, "I'm in a good mood. You'd be safe over here." This laugh is a performance. Light, floaty, often too loud for the context. She's creating a sound cue, hoping it makes you glance her way again. And when you do, she knows. That quick glance you throw her, she clocks it like radar. And if she keeps laughing, that's your green light. 4. She moves away from her group just enough to not seem obvious. Girls who want to be approached rarely stand dead center in their friends' circle. That's fortress mode, unapproachable. Instead, they find a way to be at the edge of the crowd, or they step slightly aside. They create a gap spatially. That 5-foot radius where you could step in without being interrogated by her squad, that's not accidental. Even if she doesn't leave the group entirely, she might angle her body out, not in. It's her subtle way of saying, "I'm part of this group, but not too much for you to interrupt." 5. She starts making many mistakes around you and then waits to see if you noticed. She fumbles her phone, drops her lip gloss, mispronounces something simple. None of this is random. These aren't mistakes in their icebreakers in disguise. Why? Because now there's tension. A moment, something uncontrolled. And if you help her, even with a glance, she gets her answer. You're watching. She might even look embarrassed on purpose or say, "I'm such a mess today," all to test whether you'll lean in or at least respond. It's not clumsiness, it's curiosity in heels. 6. She delays her exit while pretending to look for someone. It's the fake linger. She's done with her drink, her friends are calling her. She's halfway to the door, and then she stops, looks around, scrolls her phone, looks again. She's not lost. She's hoping you notice she's still there. It's one last window before she walks out of your life like a deleted scene. And most guys, they assume she's waiting on an Uber or a friend, or that she's checking Instagram. But really, she's offering you a time-sensitive offer. Approach now or regret later. 7. She engages the room but never locks in on anyone. This is the look around without landing technique. She scans the space like she's searching, not for a specific face, but for permission. She's signaling availability, not desperation. She wants to be approached, but not by just anyone. So she hovers her gaze across people, makes light eye contact, but doesn't settle. She's seeing who's brave enough to catch the pass and run with it. The moment you lock eyes and don't look away immediately, she knows. And if she holds that glance just a second longer than normal, game on. Dear viewers, if you like this video, do share them with your friends and family and subscribe to this channel to stay connected with us. Thanks for watching.